you're tall. Hey guys, Airgun Angie, and this is my son Edmund. Out here again with the Xisico Sentry. Today we are going to see what pellet it likes the best. Y'all hold on, we'll be right back. So that's it. Little E and I figured out the Xisico Sentry's favorite pellet out of the 4 we tried. We were originally going to try Field Target Trophies and RWS Superdomes, but we added a couple to it. The exact Diablo 8.44 grain and the Heavies 10.34 grains. And awesome. I mean, this gun is absolutely accurate, awesome grouping. The Heavies were its favorite. We got 9 pellets, that's a full mag. And it doesn't even look like there's 9 pellets there. It looked like it went through the same hole every time. Thank you, Airgun Pro Shop. Awesome gun. Been having so much fun with it. I'm Airgun Angie. Thank y'all for watching. See y'all.